Hello, everyone, and welcome to this channel where we talk about a lot of investment ideas, where we talk about some motivational stuff. Okay, so many times, my friends they ask me, where do you invest? How do you save? So that is the topic. Where do I invest? Where do I save? Just listen to this video. uh, it could be possible that you may get something out of it. It could be possible that you may devise a different investment or a saving strategy for yourself, because everything is not for everyone. Where I'm investing, you might not be able to invest. You might have to devise your own solution. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, the basic difference between investment and saving is the amount of risk we take and the interest we earn. Normally, in savings, the risk is comparatively less. Since the risk is less, interest is less. In investment, risk is more, hence the interest is more. Okay, so just this is the basic difference: risk and interest. So let's get started with my investment journey. So as I said, in investment, the risk is more, hence you expect a better rate of interest because you're taking risk, right? Risk is the price you pay for the higher interest, right? So, where I invest. So, guys, I am investing in mutual funds. I have a portfolio where I'm investing in different type of mutual funds. Let me quickly tell you which all categories I am investing in. So I have one index fund. I have a large cap fund. I have a mid cap fund. I have a small cap fund. Okay, so apart from this, I also have a thematic fund for IT and a pharma. But I do not recommend you guys to invest in IT and pharma. So that is where I'm investing. But as an advice, I would say mutual funds are the safest bet in the long term to accumulate wealth. So that is how I have devised my strategy, that I invest some amount in uh, mutual funds on a monthly basis. In I divide my money in all these categories: large cap, mid cap, small cap. I have a index fund. I also have a gold fund, yeah, ICICI gold fund, uh, where I invest only 5% of the total investment I am planning. See, these kind of funds like a gold fund or a IT fund or a pharma fund, we should not invest more than 5%. If you are investing, let's say 50,000 in a month, so only 5% should go into these kind of funds. Maximum should go into your large cap, mid cap, small cap, and your index funds. Okay, so that is number one. Number two, where I invest, I have a decent portfolio of stocks. I have some stocks where I have invested. Since I have made some mistakes in the past, I have made some videos as well. So now I'm investing only in large cap funds, large cap equity stocks, and also some of the uh, upcoming stocks where I see potential. I do a thorough research of the organization, their management, their product, and then I take a decision. I have invested in ITC. I have invested in IRCTC. I have invested in Zomato. Um then I have invested in Motherson. I have some stock for Yes Bank, uh, and RVNL, IRFC. These are my current investments. So some of them there is a little loss, but most of them are doing decent. So yeah, because I have made some mistakes in the past, so now I do a thorough research, as I said. So research includes you check the management, you check their profitability. Is the company is profitable? Because profit is directly proportional to the stock price. If the profit will grow, your share price will grow. So you have to check where the company stands in terms of the competition, what is the debt to equity ratio, what is the price to earning ratio, check their book value, check their debt, check their loans. You have to check the balance sheet. Basic education you have to do. You cannot rely on tips, do your own research. That is one thing which I have learned. So that's where I invest. Um, and then Apart from that, I have some savings where I normally keep my emergency fund. So I have a little bit of fixed deposits, some investment I have kept in a ICICI Prudential Liquid Fund, which is also in the same mutual fund basket, but it is a liquid fund. So in liquid fund, the return is not much. Maybe you can expect 5% in a year or 4%, but that is basically where you can save your money, a small amount in saving account, small amount in your fixed deposit, small amount in your liquid fund. That is where you can do your savings. uh, Maybe 6 to 7 months of your monthly expenses should be kept in an emergency fund, like we all always say. Apart from that, I have some investment in my national pension scheme, which is again in the investment portfolio. So that's pretty much it. And some real estate investment. I forgot to mention that real estate also will come uh, in your investment bucket, because over the period of time there is a potential of appreciation, even though the market is volatile in the real estate sector as well. But yeah, in the long run, real estate has given a decent return. So these are the areas, guys, where I have done my investment. But yeah, as I said in the starting of the video, everything is not for everybody, right? You have to see what are your requirements. Okay. And and situation also changes. What thought process I have when I will grow old, so maybe my requirement will change. Maybe I plan to have 50 lakh 60 lakh rupees, but when I reach to that stage, maybe my requirement is now 1 cr, maybe 2 cr. I don't know, because we have children, they also grow, and the requirement changes, so we have to be flexible. So I will make one more video where we will talk about, apart from these investments and all those jazz, we need to also create multiple income streams, right? It's a very powerful statement, creating multiple income streams, but I think that's the way the world is moving into. So we have to have multiple income streams so that our future is secure. So without dragging this video further, uh, I wish you all the luck. You do your investment and saving quite regularly. Be strict with yourself, and all the best. We will talk soon.